Now the barrel were made as 4 pieces and almost installed it. And also the spindle cable here were mounted and go through here, go through this bracket. All these mounting pieces will be moved along y-axis, and the other end will go into the cable chain here. It's already inside. This cable chain can be open, each sector as this flip can be open. It's quite well. And I already done it. And come out here, and come out here, and this cable chain is support the end of it, support on here and here. Then go to another cable chain, and this is an access motor cable is run through here. It doesn't need to go to cable chains because this is stationary. Instead, there is the y-axis motor inside here, and the cable is inside this box and come out here, and together with the spindle cable here, and also limit switch. The limit switch wires is inside this box. The red and blue or gray color wire here, all of them come out here and will run through this largest cable chain. And I'm now doing this. The cable chain is support with its ends on this bracket here. Mounting screw here, and also another end is here and here. You can see here a route through it. A portion. The piece can be open here. The pieces can be picked out easily here. Now we continue to router through it. Afterwards, I can close this aluminum bracket. It's on the left side. Thank you for your watching.